Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Duo displays error code C7 or NoPr, the heating element has failed or there is not enough liquid. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check your liquid level. The Instant Pot Duo needs thin, water-based liquid to create steam and build pressure. For the 3-quart model, add at least 250 milliliters. For the 6-quart model, add at least 375 milliliters. For the 8-quart model, add at least 500 milliliters. Thick sauces, tomato paste, and dairy do not count as liquid. Use water, broth, or stock. Step 2. Turn the steam release handle to sealing. The handle on top of the lid must be in the sealing position for pressure to build. If it's set to venting, steam escapes and the unit cannot pressurize. Turn the handle clockwise until it stops in the sealing position. Step 3. Unplug and restart. Press cancel. Unplug the Instant Pot Duo from the wall outlet. Wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Add liquid if needed. Close the lid. Turn the steam release handle to sealing, and try your program again. If you still get error codes after adding liquid and restarting, the heating element has failed. This cannot be repaired at home. Contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description for warranty replacement or repair options. If this helped you fix error code and get back to cooking, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. Thanks for watching, and now you can heat things up.